What if I told you that saving $1,000 will not protect you from real financial emergencies? This advice is everywhere on the internet, in books, and on social media, but it gives people a false sense of security. And today, we're going to break that myth and show what you actually need. This video is for beginners who want simple and realistic personal finance advice. No hype, no unrealistic promises. We will talk about the $1,000 emergency fund myth, why it became popular, and how to build a real safety net that fits your life. Many financial experts say that the first step is to save $1,000 for emergencies. The idea sounds smart because it is simple and easy to remember. It also helps people take action quickly. But the problem is that real emergencies are not simple, and they are definitely not the same for everyone. Imagine your car breaks down. A small repair might cost $300, but a serious repair can easily cost more than $1,500. In that moment, $1,000 is not enough. Now imagine losing your job. Your rent, groceries, utilities, and insurance do not stop. If your basic monthly expenses are $2,500, 3 months of expenses is $7,500. Again, $1,000 does not protect you. So why did this rule become so popular? Because it lowers the mental barrier to saving. It helps beginners start, and that part is good, but the mistake is treating it as the final goal instead of the first step. The real goal is not a number. The real goal is financial resilience. That means you can handle common financial shocks without going into high-interest debt. And resilience depends on your lifestyle, your expenses, and your risks. Instead of one number, think in layers. The first layer is a quick buffer, $500 to $1,000. This covers small and frequent problems like phone repairs or minor medical costs. The second layer is a short-term emergency fund. This covers 3 months of essential expenses. To calculate it, add rent, food, utilities, insurance, transportation, and minimum debt payments. If your essentials are $2,500 per month, your 3-month fund is $7,500. The third layer is a risk-based reserve. If your income is unstable or you have no backup support, aim for 6 to 12 months of essentials. More risk means a larger fund. Start by writing down your essential monthly expenses. Then set clear targets for each layer. Automate your savings so money moves without decision-making. Treat saving like a bill you must pay to yourself. Small, consistent transfers are more powerful than big one-time efforts. If your essentials are $1,500 per month, 3 months is $4,500. If your essentials are $2,500, 3 months is $7,500. If your essentials are $4,000, 3 months is $12,000. These numbers are not goals. They are tools to help you plan realistically. Insurance reduces how much cash you need for emergencies. Health, renters, homeowners, and car insurance matter. Your emergency fund should stay liquid and safe. High-yield savings accounts and money market accounts are good options. Do not invest emergency money in stocks. You may need it during a market downturn. Separate your savings into labeled buckets. One for emergencies, one for goals. This reduces emotional spending. Celebrate small progress. Saving $50 consistently is better than waiting for the perfect moment. Mistake number 1, treating $1,000 as enough. Mistake number 2, investing emergency money. Mistake number 3, never updating your numbers as life changes. $1,000 can help you start, but it is not real protection. Build layers, adjust for risk, automate your savings, and review your plan every year. If this video helped you, subscribe for more beginner finance content. like the video, comment with your monthly essentials number, and share this with someone who still believes $1,000 is enough.